In this video, we will write a code for this object, for this moving object, that when it hit us or when it hit the player, then the player will die. So now we're going to make script code. Let's say local function, and we're going to name it decrease player health. We're gonna name here player and local character player dot character. If character, then local humanoid equals character find first child. Say character here. I mean humanoid. Humanoid. And if humanoid, then oh no, why? If then humanoid dot health equals humanoid dot health minus 100. I'm just gonna add another end here. Because this one is for that one, this one, and then this one. And the next code is object. This is for the function or an event collision with player and the object. Touch connect function that mean parentheses hit. And then local the character hit that parent. And then local player the game dot players get character get player from character, then say character here, then if player, then call the function decrease player health. Function's good, and then say player, and then that's it, the end. So there are two ends below. Now let's try this. I hope it works. And now let's hope it works. Let's try getting hit by this object. Let's go. Yes, now it's working. So every time you get hit by this, you'll die, just like any OB game. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys, and subscribe if you want to learn more, because I will of course provide more uh, tutorial about game development, and as I'm also learning on the process. Thank you guys for watching if you're watching this. See you next time, buyers.